Welcome to Compare Your Business Costs. How does a recycling baler work? A recycling baler compresses waste materials by using a vertical, downward force. The materials are then thrown into a hopper. There are two types of balers, vertical and horizontal. They are ideal for businesses that collect recyclable waste and want to streamline their recycling programs. A vertical baler can reduce the space needed for storage and generate additional revenue. These machines also reduce waste handling costs as these machines process different types of recyclable waste. We hope this video was helpful, and if you want to be the office hero, visit Compare Your Business Costs today.